Welcome to War India News Hour. Frag attacks to impact all modern security protocols of Wi-Fi. As the world gets more connected, malicious users will find a way to get to the commoner. Wi-Fi's wavebands have relatively high absorption and work best for the line-of-sight use. Many common obstructions such as walls, pillars, home appliances, etc. may greatly reduce range, but this also helps minimize interference between different networks in crowded environments. An access point or hotspot often has a range of about 20 meters, that is 66 feet indoors, while some modern access points claim to be 150 meters, that is 409 feet range outdoors. Newly discovered Wi-Fi flaws, that is frag attacks, stand for fragmentation and aggregation attacks, derived from the initial design of Wi-Fi protocols and several programming misconfigurations introduced in Wi-Fi devices. These vulnerabilities surprise many due to the substantial improvements in Wi-Fi security. For one, the defenses against KRACK, that is crack, were proven entirely secure. This, coupled with the latest WPA3 security, which also went through improvements, made Wi-Fi much safer than before. Frag attacks vulnerabilities are divided into two major categories, that is design flaws and implementation vulnerabilities. Design flaws are flaws within the Wi-Fi standard itself. These are found in most devices but are difficult to attack due to them acquiring user interaction or unique network settings. Implementation vulnerabilities, however, are easier to attack. However, features that were not adopted into practice and parts of Wi-Fi that were not widely studied earlier led to the newly discovered design flaws and brought the security holes to be abused to proceed with sophisticated attacks, including those aimed at seizing control over outdated Windows 7 installations inside a local network. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. Elon Musk targeted by anonymous hacker group. The hackers have targeted Elon Musk as they believe that he is hurting working class people and their prospects by his constant trolling of cryptocurrency, and the arrogant way he uses it has gone far enough, especially as it pertains to Bitcoin, which has reacted uncontrollably to Elon's words of late. Further taking the attack to a personal level, the anonymous account said that Musk suffers from a superiority complex, taking note of the fact that he once dubbed himself as the Emperor of Mars. G7 leaders strike a historic deal, sets maximum tax of 15% for corporates. The G7 group of leading economies have reached a historic agreement to reform the global tax system to make it fit for the global digital age. G7 finance ministers and central bank governors, chaired by Chancellor Rishi Sunak, agreed a landmark deal on global tax and ways to build a strong, sustainable, balanced and inclusive global economic recovery, with an objective to strengthen the international tax reform process. India is likely to benefit from the global minimum 15% corporate tax rate pact inked by the world's richest nations, as the effective domestic tax rate is above the threshold and the country would continue to attract investments, tax experts said. STPI to set up centers of excellence across the country. The Software and Technology Parks of India, that is STPI, will set up 12 centers of excellence in cities such as Bengaluru, Gandhinagar, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Gangtok and Itanagar to build products and solutions in areas such as health tech, IoT and smart agri, as it looks to nurture small companies and startups to work on these solutions. These COEs will play a pivotal role in revving up R&D, innovation, IP creation and product development, making India a product nation in times to come, said Omkar Rai, Director General of STPI. Nokia Luna to connect to Wi-Fi on the moon. Nokia Luna Net, a smart communication system, is all about connecting the planet. Tipping Point Technologies for the Moon, deploying the first LTE 4G communications system in space and helping pave the way towards sustainable human presence on the lunar surface. Communications will be a crucial component for NASA's Artemis program, which will establish a sustainable presence on the moon by the end of the decade. NASA is cooperating with external companies to build the needed equipment for this mission. Anshuman Rai to head Commvault as AVP India and South Asia. Commvault announced the appointment of Anshuman Rai as Area Vice President, India and South Asia. He will be responsible for accelerating growth across the entire India and South Asia region, driving sales execution excellence and expanding market share. Prior to joining Commvault, he held various senior leadership roles in UiPath as the Regional VP of Sales for India Domestic Business, managing India and South Asia. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.